Hey guys, it's Allison, the Holistic Homesteader, and today I'm going to show you how I make my bacon. Alright, so I don't fry my bacon. That's why I'm showing you this technique. I prefer to bake my bacon. And I prefer that it's usually a very uniform consistency. When they bake, the slices of bacon lay really flat, and I prefer that for like in a sandwich. I can really keep an eye on how everything is cooking in the oven. Rather than in a skillet, it seems like things can go from 0 to 100 in a skillet with bacon in no time flat. So all I'm gonna do is take a pack of bacon. This is Hormel, and it is a 1 pound pack of their original bacon. And I have 2 cookie sheets here lined with parchment paper. I'm gonna take my pack, open it up, and I'm going to lay my bacon out into the pans in a thin layer, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. All right, everybody, so I have my bacon laid out on my cookie sheets with parchment paper in a thin layer. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to put these in for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna check them at the 15-minute mark and see how they're doing, if they need the extra 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that next. So it's been 15 minutes. This is what my bacon looks like at this point. 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's definitely not done enough for me. I'm gonna set the timer for another 3 minutes and check it again. Okay, it's been 3 more minutes. Ooh, it's looking so much better. I think I wanna go about 1 more minute, and I will check it one more time. 1 more minute. They look amazing. I'm definitely gonna pull that bottom tray. I'm gonna pull the top tray second. And I'm just gonna let them sit in their drippings and continue to cook for another minute. And there we have it. So that took about 19 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see the pan's even cooked a little bit differently as well. The pan that was on the bottom cooked a little hotter, and that's a little crispier. That's the way I like it. Top pan didn't cook quite as much. That's how one of the kids and my husband likes it, so works out for everybody. I'm gonna grab a paper towel covered plate, and I'm gonna pull these off and dry them off. Try to get some of the grease off, and then that'll be ready for BLTs later.